Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw leads with Make.com integration easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with withdrawing leads using Make.com integration, first, log into your Make.com account. Once logged in, click on Create a Scenario to begin setting up your workflow. In the Scenario Builder, search for and select the app where your leads are stored. Connect your lead source app to Make.com by following the on-screen prompts. After connecting, choose the specific action related to retrieving leads from that app. Next, configure the action by specifying any filters or criteria needed to. Once your lead source is set up, click on the plus sign to add another module. Search for and select the app where you want to send or export your leads. Connect this app to the scenario as well. Proceed to select the appropriate action for sending the leads to the new app. Make sure to map the fields from your lead source to the destination. Next, add any additional modules if necessary for further processing or automation. Once your scenario setup is complete, click on the Save button to save your changes. To test your workflow, click on Run once in the Scenario Builder. Monitor the scenario's execution to check for any errors or adjustments needed. If everything works correctly, schedule your scenario to run automatically based on your preferred timing. Finally, make sure to monitor the flow regularly to ensure leads are being withdrawn as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.